Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab challenge with Dorie at Dorie's Dollies. You need to go buy Dorie's. If you are not subscribed to her channel, you will sure want to be. Today we're doing Dolls Gone Goth, Bad Luck Charm, or Lolita. I brought out my little Friday doll. Wednesday Addams' middle name is Friday, and I know that from the 1960s show, one of the early shows where Wednesday had run away from home and Morticia was telling the police her full name, Wednesday Friday Addams. So that's where I got that name. And her little bad luck charms, of course not to her or me, are a black cat. Isn't that adorable? Darren surprised me with that and printed it first in this size for the full-size Blythe dolls. We also have one that's standing. And then for the midi or mini Blythes. I just love these black cats. I also brought out a troll doll with Corella DeVille kind of hair. Isn't that adorable? How tall is that, Darren? Half inch? Mm-hmm. Darren makes these on the 3D printer. We bought that model. We've given these away in giveaways. They're just adorable. And then, of course, you add your own hair. I got something on my, oh, do I have a pair of scissors? Yes. I got this on my computer this morning. It's birthday month. Darren leaves something or gives me something every day. This was on my computer this morning. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to save that. Well, it's not coming off very easy, is it? Going to save that for my video, and I'll open it. It's Shadow High. Well, it's not coming open as easily as the last one did. Oh, am I on the wrong side? No. Oh, there we go. I'm stupid. Okay, I love these little purses. Yesterday, was it yesterday? What? Have we shown that video yet of what I have got? Oh, this one, shoes? Purses. Let's look. I think it's purses. Handbags, yep. Now, the one I got first was this one. What I'd like to have, my favorite, well, it's not my favorite, but the one I'd like to have is this gold bag because I have Barbie shoes to match, and that would be really cute on one of my Blythe dolls. They're just little gold sandals I thought would be cute. Now, in reality, I really like this. I love this, love these. But I think we are on the Shadow High, and those might be the Rainbow High. But let's open it without further ado. Here's the little bag. Oh, it's smaller. I don't think it's what I was looking for, but we'll see. No, but isn't this adorable? Oh my goodness. It's like a high school locker lock. And it says anti-sparkle. Now, does it open? There's no give, so I'm guessing not. Can they carry anything? Let's do it like this. Not really, no, but it sure is a cute, cute little prop. I really like it. Very cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by Dorie's today and see what she has as far as good luck or bad luck charm or Lolita. And if you have a video, please let us know in the comments. Let everybody know. If they have one, you have one, put it in their comments too. Let's watch one another, support one another, subscribe to one another, and don't forget to leave a like on every video and then all the way down those comments. It helps one another out. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.